Hello everyone, my name is Việt and this is my friend Mai Hoàng. We're from Nanocovax, class AA, Việt Secondary School, Cư Quyên District, Đắk Lắk Province. Today, we'll talk about the impact of the pandemic COVID-19. As you know, there's an outbreak of coronavirus. It appeared at the end of the year 2019 in Wuhan, China. We also call it the COVID-19. It has spread down seriously over the countries in the world and it's made our life take a lot. Would you think so?
Yes, of course. It had effect on every corner of our life. Let me tell you how the pandemic COVID-19 changes our life. Since it appeared, there have been many problems for people to cope with. The first is that many companies, offices, and factories had to be closed to prevent people from catching the virus. Therefore, thousands of people lost their jobs and they couldn't earn enough money to spend their family living. Their life became more and more difficult.
That's right. When the pandemic COVID-19 spread down quickly, stores, restaurants, recreation places, and other services stopped working. People couldn't go out. A lot of people didn't have enough food to eat. Lives of many people become lack of everything.
Besides that, the pandemic has been very complicated, so teachers and students from kindergarten to university can't go to school. They must stay home, teach and study online. It's difficult for teachers and students to work well because there are many disadvantages. For example, when electricity goes out, the online lesson will be stopped, so teachers and students can't do anything to continue the lesson. If the Wi-Fi is low, students and even teachers are often in and out. Moreover, many students in remote areas don't have equipment to study, and it is also very harmful to your eyes when using computer too much.
Yes, you're quite right. In addition, the pandemic COVID-19 has caused it to people all over the world. Millions of people died. Thousands of children lost their parents. They become orphans and this hurts their mental. Their lives totally turn worse. It's so terrible, isn't it?
Yes, I'm so sad to think about it. I wish the pandemic disappeared immediately. However, we can repair the pandemic quickly by strictly obeying 5 key instructions of health ministry, such as wear masks, often wash the hand, keep the distance from people around, and we also have to get injection in time according to the regulation of health ministry.
Yes, and I really want to come back to school to meet my teachers and my friends. It's very fun to study and play a game together. Therefore, we and you, let's all work together to repel the pandemic.
Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye!